As next topic, we'll be seeing, we are going to see about national development. What is national development? Ability of a nation should be improve the life of its citizen. Why the nation is for? Nation, our country is for improving the life of the people, those who are in our country, correct? So country always will be try to provide better economic condition as well as the living condition for their people. So measuring of a country's improvement, it can be increased in GDP rate or social aspect like a literacy rate and availability of health facilities, etc. By looking at the literacy rate and looking at the number of health facilities in a country, we can say that country is developing, not only just looking at the GDP alone. Even the income growth, it's an indicator of national development. Poverty alleviation, how much amount of poverty we could remove per year, that is an indication of national development. And the satisfaction of the social and economic needs of the people is an indication. If the government could satisfy more number of people, those who are living in our country, we can say the nation is developing. Correct? Next topic is about how to compare the different countries or states based on the national development. Okay, people in a country is mainly divided into two category, have and have nots. You already might have learned rich and poor. Rich spend more money, whereas poor spend little money. Okay, but for a comparison of a country, we use a standard measures or standard formula that is called as average income, or the average income can also called as per capita income. How to find out the per capita income already we learned in the previous class. To find out the per capita income, we should divide total income by the total population of country, already we learned. Okay, so these all calculate in the terms of GDP, gross domestic production. You might have heard yesterday our Reserve Bank Governor Shaktikant Das was giving a talk about the measures which the country is going to take because of this COVID, correct? So he was stating that 1.9% GDP rate will continue even this year, and in 2021 it will reach to 7.9 something else. Okay, so all the development ratio will be calculated in GDP rate. For comparison, comparing the country, their income is considered to be one of the most important attribute or factor. Income is very, very important. So as we said, not only material development, so many other factors also help to know or are the factors to know about the development of the country. But income is also very, very important factor. Why? Because without income we cannot provide better living standard. Other than the income, what are the other parameters which which a people expect from their country or the government? So we know that the population or the people have different development goal. Even the same thing, they expect different development goals even from the government. So there are main three parameters which a population, common people expect from their government as part of their development. The first one is infant mortality rate, IMR, infant mortality rate. The definition for the infant mortality rate is number of children die before the age of 1 year as a proportion of 1,000 live children born in a particular year. That means how many children are existing or alive even after their birth or after 1 year of their birth. That is the first parameter. Second parameter is literacy rate. Literacy rate, it can be defined like the proportion of literate population in the age group of 7 and above. The third parameter is net attendance ratio, NAR. The definition for net attendance ratio is the total number of children in the age group of 6 to 10 attending the school as a proportion of the total number of children in the same age group. How many people are attending the school? Those are belongs to the age group of 6 to 10 is called as net attendance ratio. Mainly these three parameters considered as or people expecting mainly from their country. So not only the money, people expect so many other parameters from their